Silver. Flying on his right is Black Knight 2, Captain Dave Justice 2. And on his left is Black Knight 3, Captain Jeremy Bond. Flying directly behind the leader is Black Knight 4, Captain Augustine 1. With that, here comes the opening curtain. As they stream off, get ready for Black Knight 5 and 6. The lead solo, Major Eugene Lim, and opposing solo, Captain Chang Hao Ling. The two will come from your right and left for a cross turn. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an extremely nervous, high-speed maneuver with closing speeds of approximately 2,000 kilometers per hour, creating an adrenaline rush. And here they come! There goes Black Knight 5 and 6, punching the sky with a Cuban rock. If you had missed that cross turn, get your cameras ready as they head back to show center, pushing the boundaries and closing in on each other for the exhilarating Aragon crossover. From your front right, Black Knight 1 through 4 will enter show center in a line abreast formation and will transit into a diamond formation while executing a 5G vertical loop. Black Knight 5 and 6 as they swiftly join the formation.